In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't find it, select this gear instead. Tap on voice typing and activate it using this switcher. When you finished, go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. Then select while using the app or only this time and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!